The Australian share market is trading up 0.2%, but it comes after a solid session on Wall Street overnight, with speculation that a tentative deal has been reached between the US and China over a trade deal. Having a look across the market and weighing on the market is Commonwealth Bank and Scentre, which are both trading ex-dividend. Commonwealth Bank shares down by 2.4% and Scentre shares down by 3% on the market. But of course, it's those half-year earnings reports that we're watching very closely. And Beach Petroleum shares doing well today. The shares up by 7% on the back of increased guidance. The company now expecting to see full-year guidance being increased by $200 million to between $1.25 to $1.35 billion, and production guidance has also increased to 28 to 29 million barrels of oil equivalent. Computer shares trading up by 5% after increasing guidance. We've also seen CSL lifting to the upper end of their guidance, but shares down by 4.5%. Car sales down by 9%, one of the worst performers on the market, as it writes down the value of its Stratton Finance division, and that's weighed down on its profit result as well. We've seen Avio Group up by 3.8% despite the slowdown in the property market weighing on its result, and Bapcor down by 10% after its result. On the small cap side, one of the worst performers that we've seen is Experience Co, which is down by a massive 25% after an update to earnings as well as leadership changes. The company is saying that in the month of December they did see softer international as well as domestic visitors to New Zealand together and combined with a lot of rain, which impacted on the result. We've also seen Sky City coming out with a soft outlook, saying that the domestic and international economic environment is becoming more challenged, and in the second half of the year they are expecting to see a more challenged environment, and in the second half year to date it has been lower than expectations. We've seen Zenith shares up by 18% on the back of news that IPH has managed to grab 19.9% of the company overnight at $1.85. So all in all, lots to absorb on the market, watching those half-year reports coming through as well as those stocks trading ex-dividend.